been interested in hair and beauty. I knew a lot of people that studied at Coleg Menai and they said they really enjoyed it. So I researched into the course and saw they had 2 well-equipped salons. I'm so glad I decided to study at Coleg Menai because with their support I've achieved so much. The tutors in Coleg Menai really helped me and the support from them has been brilliant. They really encouraged me to enter competitions and help so much with my practical work. They made the work really interesting and I love both the theory and practical lessons. I studied my MVQ level 2 in college and spent the rest of the week in the salon. I love college and I found it very inspiring and I can't wait to start my level 3 in September. I entered my first competition last year, which was held by Coleg Menai. The winners and runners-up were then taken on to Blackpool Winter Gardens. My tutors really encouraged me to enter and I was determined to do well. I've now entered many competitions and I'm still really enjoying it. It just shows that hard work does pay off and I've been placed first more than 10 times. I still can't believe what I've achieved in a year. I'm now going to do my level 3 and 4 in Coleg Menai, then go on to gain experience in the film industry doing hair and makeup.